There's a Facebook business tool for every business goal. Facebook is a great marketing tool in itself, and with almost 2 billion people visiting the platform on a monthly basis, it is a huge one at that. With that said, Facebook has a nice array of business tools for every business goal that is attainable on the social network. Each one of the following tools is a crucial part of the Facebook ecosystem, and they all play well alongside each other to help you reach your goals and sustain business. Facebook Adverts. Paid online advertising is as old as the internet itself, and it should be part of any marketing plan for any business worth its salt. In fact, online advertising is way more effective than traditional TV advertising for reaching new customers. Facebook adverts are a great way to reach people because they blend naturally onto people's timelines and don't look like ads. And their very non-intrusive nature is what makes them so effective. Facebook Pages. Facebook pages are to businesses what Facebook profiles are to regular people because they establish a presence for any business in the platform, from where photos, videos, and updates can be shared with your customers and all the people that matter. With over 1 billion people active on a daily basis on the platform, Facebook pages are a great way to allow people to find you and connect with you easily. Messenger. Good customer service is an essential practice of any business with an online presence, and being able to answer your customers' questions in record time is one of the things that will keep people coming back for more. The Facebook Messenger will allow you to establish a communication channel right on your Facebook page without having to use a third-party application. It will allow you to automate responses and create messenger bots to better serve your customers. Instagram. Instagram is by far the most popular visual discovery platform that is also built upon a social network. People use Instagram to express themselves and be inspired, and businesses have learned to capitalize on this trend by using Instagram to showcase their brand's identity. Your Facebook adverts can be shown on Instagram, and Instagram is big among mobile users. 70% of Instagram users follow a business in the platform, and it has been found that 75% of people take action after being inspired by posts on Instagram thanks to its visual nature. So only good things can result from leveraging this type of engagement. Audience Network. The Facebook ecosystem is not limited to the Facebook and Instagram platforms. Its reach extends beyond and all throughout the World Wide Web. You can easily extend your Facebook advertising campaigns beyond Facebook by letting your adverts appear on apps and websites across the web. Atlas. Business goals will only be successful if a business is able to improve them, and to improve them, it is necessary to monitor them. The Atlas feature will allow you to measure the success of your goals and campaigns by getting insights based on actions linked to real people. Shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. It is no secret that Facebook is an amazing marketing platform for every type of business, no matter how big or small a business is, or how ambitious a business goal a particular business might be aiming for. Facebook is a platform with a set of marketing features that, by the very social nature of its platform, can play a bit against what most people know about online marketing. Allow us to introduce you to some shocking Facebook marketing facts that you should consider when creating successful marketing campaigns on Facebook. There are more than 2 million active advertisers on Facebook. Facebook is one of the biggest movers in the display advertising industry, and the number of active advertisers in the platform speaks volumes about that fact. 2 million advertisers on a single platform means that competition is hard, but it also means that better checks are put upon advertisers, which is good for Facebook users. 66% of Facebook's ad revenue comes from mobile. Mobile users comprise the largest portion of people reacting to display advertising on Facebook. So have this in mind the next time you design your new advertising campaigns. Brands that interact more with customers get 3.5 times more business. Businesses that care about interacting with their customers and actually put in the effort to do so get more business. Brands that interact with user posts and questions on at least a 65% basis get 3.5 times more business than businesses that don't. Facebook increases visibility of the last 50 pages that a user interacts with. Facebook pays a good deal of attention to the content that it feeds its users, so it increases the visibility of the last 50 pages that any given user interacts with. Leverage this to get free promotional power by posting constantly and encouraging your fans to interact with your pages. 35% of fan pages click on like only to enter a sweepstakes. Facebook pages with tons of fans get a good chunk of them by promoting contests and sweepstakes and asking people to like the page in order to enter the contests to get a chance to win. If you promote a good contest or sweepstakes from time to time, you can increase your fan page and interactions count. 78% of people like a brand's Facebook page only if they have used said brand before liking it. The vast majority of people will like the fan page of a brand or product to signal that they approve of the brand, and they have to use and like said brand or product for that to be true. Find ways to allow people to use your products or to interact with your brand, such as promoting freebies. Canada and the USA have the largest number of active Facebook users around the world. Canada has the largest concentration of active Facebook users, followed by the United States. So keep that in mind the next time you are planning where to target your audience.